Where do you usually spend holidays with your family?
I usually spend holidays with my family at my grandparents' house.
What do you usually do on family holidays?
I usually travel and relax on family holidays.
How do you usually travel with your family on holidays?
We usually travel by car on holidays.
What food do you usually eat on family holidays?
We usually eat homemade dishes on family holidays.
Who plans the holidays in your family?
My father usually plans the holidays in my family.
What is your favorite family holiday memory?
My favorite family holiday memory is visiting the beach.
What games do you play with your family on holidays?
I play board games and cricket with my family on holidays.
What do you usually pack for family holidays?
I usually pack clothes, snacks, and books for family holidays.
Who drives the car on family trips?
My father drives the car on family trips.
What do you like most about holidays with your family?
I like spending quality time together the most.
Where did you go last holiday with your family?
We went to Murray last holiday with our family.
What kind of places does your family visit on holidays?
My family visits mountains, beaches, and parks on holidays.
How long are your family holidays usually?
Our family holidays are usually 1 week long.
Who cooks food during family holidays?
My mother usually cooks food during family holidays.
What do you do in the evenings during holidays?
I usually sit and talk with family in the evenings during holidays.
How do you feel on family holidays?
I feel relaxed and happy on family holidays.
What is the best holiday you spent with your family?
The best holiday was when we visited the sea together.
What do you usually do on Eid holidays with family?
We usually visit relatives and share food on Eid holidays.
How often do you go on family holidays?
We go on family holidays twice a year.
What do you usually do during summer holidays with family?
We usually travel to cool hill stations in summer holidays.
What do you usually do during winter holidays with family?
We usually stay home and enjoy hot food during winter holidays.
Who do you visit on family holidays?
We visit cousins and grandparents on family holidays.
What do you usually watch with family on holidays?
We usually watch movies together on holidays.
What clothes do you usually wear on family holidays?
I usually wear casual and comfortable clothes on family holidays.
How do you celebrate birthdays on family holidays?
We celebrate birthdays with cake and games on family holidays.
What songs do you listen to on family trips?
We listen to old and new songs on family trips.
What is your favorite holiday activity with family?
My favorite holiday activity is playing games with family.
How do you feel when family holidays end?
I feel a little sad when family holidays end.
Who takes photos during family holidays?
My brother usually takes photos during family holidays.
What do you usually do at the beach with family?
I usually build sandcastles and swim at the beach with family.
What do you usually do at the park with family?
I usually play and walk at the park with family.
How do you spend evenings on holidays?
I spend evenings chatting and eating with family on holidays.
What do you usually do when it rains on holidays?
We usually play indoor games when it rains on holidays.
What do you like to eat during family picnics?
I like to eat sandwiches and fruit during family picnics.
What do you usually do on long drives with family?
I usually listen to music and enjoy the view on long drives with family.
What is your favorite place to visit with family on holidays?
My favorite place is the northern mountains with family on holidays.
What do you usually buy on family holidays?
I usually buy souvenirs on family holidays.
Who makes travel plans in your family?
My parents usually make travel plans in our family.
What do you usually do on the first day of holidays?
I usually rest and eat good food on the first day of holidays.
What do you usually do on the last day of holidays?
I usually pack and take family photos on the last day of holidays.
What do you usually eat for breakfast during holidays?
We usually eat parathas and tea for breakfast during holidays.
Who wakes you up during family holidays?
My mother usually wakes me up during family holidays.
How do you spend family holidays at home?
I spend family holidays at home watching TV and cooking.
What do you usually do at night during holidays?
I usually play games and talk at night during holidays.
What do you like to drink during family holidays?
I like to drink fresh juices during family holidays.
Who tells stories during holidays?
My grandmother usually tells stories during holidays.
What do you usually do when you travel by train with family?
I usually read books and watch the scenery when traveling by train with family.
What do you usually do when traveling by plane with family?
I usually listen to music when traveling by plane with family.
What do you usually do when traveling by bus with family?
I usually look outside and talk when traveling by bus with family.
How do you feel when traveling with family?
I feel safe and happy when traveling with family.
What snacks do you usually take on family trips?
We usually take chips, biscuits, and fruit on family trips.
What do you usually do in hotel rooms on holidays?
I usually watch TV and rest in hotel rooms on holidays.
What do you usually play with cousins on holidays?
I usually play cricket and cards with cousins on holidays.
What do you usually do at night during family trips?
We usually sit together and talk at night during family trips.
What do you like about family holidays in villages?
I like the fresh air and open fields in villages on family holidays.
What do you like about family holidays in cities?
I like the shopping and restaurants in cities on family holidays.
How do you spend Eid Day with family?
I spend Eid Day visiting relatives and eating together with family.
What do you usually do at family gatherings on holidays?
I usually eat food and talk with cousins at family gatherings on holidays.
Who entertains children during holidays?
My uncle usually entertains children during holidays.
What do you usually do when you feel bored on holidays?
I usually play games or read when I feel bored on holidays.
What do you usually do in the morning on holidays?
I usually sleep longer and then eat breakfast in the morning on holidays.
How do you feel when you spend time with family on holidays?
I feel loved and peaceful when I spend time with family on holidays.
What is your favorite festival holiday with family?
My favorite festival holiday is Eid with family.
What do you usually do when you visit relatives on holidays?
I usually talk and share food when visiting relatives on holidays.
Who makes jokes during family holidays?
My father usually makes jokes during family holidays.
What do you usually do on Independence Day with family?
We usually watch parades and celebrate on Independence Day with family.
What do you usually do on New Year's Eve with family?
We usually eat dinner and watch fireworks on New Year's Eve with family.
What is your favorite holiday destination with family?
My favorite holiday destination is the beach with family.
Who takes care of kids during holidays?
My mother takes care of kids during holidays.
What do you usually buy in markets during family holidays?
We usually buy clothes and sweets in markets during family holidays.
What do you usually talk about during family dinners on holidays?
We usually talk about memories during family dinners on holidays.
How do you spend free time on family holidays?
I spend free time playing games on family holidays.
What do you usually do when power goes out during holidays?
We usually sit outside and talk when power goes out during holidays.
Who takes care of travel tickets during holidays?
My father usually takes care of travel tickets during holidays.
What do you usually do when visiting the zoo with family?
I usually watch animals and take photos at the zoo with family.
What do you usually do when visiting a museum with family?
I usually look at old things when visiting a museum with family.
How do you spend evenings in villages on holidays?
I spend evenings walking in fields in villages on holidays.
How do you spend evenings in cities on holidays?
I spend evenings shopping in cities on holidays.
What do you usually do on long weekends with family?
I usually go on short trips on long weekends with family.
Who helps with packing during family holidays?
My mother helps with packing during family holidays.
What do you usually eat for lunch during holidays?
We usually eat rice and curry for lunch during holidays.
What do you usually eat for dinner during holidays?
We usually eat barbecue for dinner during holidays.
How do you feel when you see mountains with family?
I feel amazed when I see mountains with family.
How do you feel when you see the sea with family?
I feel peaceful when I see the sea with family.
What do you usually do when you stay home on holidays?
I usually cook and watch TV when staying home on holidays.
Who plays music during family trips?
My brother usually plays music during family trips.
What do you usually do when you visit a park with family?
I usually play and walk when visiting a park with family.
What do you usually do on family holidays in winter?
We usually drink tea and sit by the fire in winter holidays.
What do you usually do on family holidays in summer?
We usually travel to hill stations in summer holidays.
How do you celebrate weddings during holidays with family?
We celebrate weddings with food and dancing during holidays with family.
What do you usually do when you visit the countryside with family?
I usually enjoy fresh food and nature in the countryside with family.
Who guides the family during trips?
My father usually guides the family during trips.
What do you usually buy for kids on holidays?
We usually buy toys for kids on holidays.
What do you usually do on road trips with family?
I usually sing and play games on road trips with family.
What is your favorite activity during Eid holidays?
My favorite activity is eating sweets during Eid holidays.
What do you usually do when visiting malls with family?
I usually shop and eat when visiting malls with family.
What do you usually do when visiting relatives in villages?
I usually play outside and eat fresh food in villages.
How do you feel when you travel with cousins?
I feel excited when I travel with cousins.
What do you usually do when you return from holidays?
I usually unpack and rest when I return from holidays.
What do you like most about holidays with family?
I like the fun and togetherness most about holidays with family.